I'm just gonna say to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, Mark Cruz, Shania Kiana is warning you. If you don't delete that post against Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, Shania Kiana will attack you. Shania Kiana will fight against you. Oh, I have lots of ally. I got Tito Mac, I got Shania Kiana, and I got Jerick Silva. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, delete that post. I got my all allies there, the allies of Duterte supporters, Kuya Park official. I am telling you, Mark Cruz, as we are special, if we are ADHD, if I'm saying to you, deactivate that, delete that post against Rodrigo Duterte because it's really hurt. Do you even know Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? The Duterte supporters are saying to you, you didn't raise by your own parents. They didn't raise you by your own parents, like Nino Bersaga, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. They never, both of them are raised by their own parents. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you didn't raise by your own parents. Because you are manipulative. You are a bully. Oh. I say to my mom, the real bully anyway is Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. He always attacking me. He is attacking Wawel. Oh. Don't you even know Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? You bully Wawel, you bully me, you bully Carlo Pabale and Ryan Cristosero, and even the others that you bully them. That's why Danmar, he doesn't like your attitude. Danmar was very angry at you because you're not a part of member of HADS Inclusion Philippines. Because he already told to Roylan. Oh. For example, Mark Cruz, you should not say bad words. If I were you, Mark Cruz, when you say a bad words anyway, came back from your mouth, show little respect to other people. Don't you even know what you did to Eliza De La Cruz, that you harass her? Because I know you are attacking her. If Eliza De La Cruz had filed the cases against you, Mark Cruz, you might get sued of Anti-Safe Space Act. At least David Gill had sent me a link. What is Anti-Safe Space Act? Bawal na bastos. Oh, that was assigned by the time of Rodrigo Duterte, or Anti-Safe Space Act of 2019, or bawal na bastos. When you cursed anyone, aside of Eliza De La Cruz, aside of Nguyen Pongkan, that is an Anti-Safe Space Act, or bawal na bastos law. And I'm saying to you, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. That is your fault, Mark Cruz. Everyone are angry at you. I know what your ambition was, is to manipulate anyone. You see, you deactivate your own Facebook. If people there are bashing you, Danmar, who's really bashing against you, even Cedric, even who are among who are bashing at Mark Cruz. Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, oh, they're criticizing you. That's why Juan Carlo Pabale doesn't like your attitude. He doesn't want to say bad words. and he doesn't want to get in trouble. So that's why I say to you, Mark Cruz, that is your fault. You are a bully. Oh, you are a bully. I'm telling you. You're the one who framing me up that I hacked the Facebook of Ronald Rebena. You set me up. You frame me up, Mark Cruz. And you slandering my name, Mark Cruz. At least it wasn't Wawel Romero. It wasn't David Gill. It was you, Mark Cruz. And you're the one who hacked the Facebook account of David Gill to ruin Cedric. That was you, Mark Cruz. And you're the one who created the Dragon Inclusion Philippines. That was you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. And you're the one who made the fake account of Rocky Tulog, and it wasn't Teacher Gio. It was you, Mark Domingo Cruz. Everything in the evidence, it was you. I always comply. Here's from the evidence from Danmar. Here's from the evidence from Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, and even everyone are complaining you, Mark Cruz. And even I'm saying, I was told by Teacher Gio Malana, he said to me, it wasn't me, I created the fake account. He believes it was Mark Cruz. Oh, it was you, Mark Cruz. That is your fault. You should not blame anyone. I'm saying to you, kung ako sa'yo, Mark Cruz, tanggapin mo na ang kasalanan mo. Like I said, you should accepted it that you are a bully. That is your fault for what you did to Juan Carlo Pabale and even Ryan Chris Lucero. Even you bully them that they didn't do anything to you. That is your fault. I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, that is your fault. Like me, I just want to tell you something. Unlike you, I accepted my fault for what I did to Teacher May. Oh, I accepted my fault that what I did to Ate Dina. Even not other that. I accepted my fault. Oh, for what I did for example, what I did to Teacher Vincent, oh, that I made fake account in Facebook last pandemic. I accepted my fault. I accepted my consequence. Like this guy, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, he doesn't know how to accept his fault. He's wrong, and he's want to say he's really correct. He is wrong. I'm telling you. Like for example, like Paulo Cruzada, he made lots of wrongdoing for Joseph Maspinas. He has lots of wrongdoing for what he did to Wawel Romero. Oh, he has lots of wrongdoing. Paulo Cruzada has lots of wrongdoing for making bomb joke in Davao City. He is wrong. Like Teacher Alexandra Pagkainawan, when he make a bomb joke at Jerick Silva, she is wrong. And she was reprimanded by her parents. You see what happened. That Teacher Alexandra Pagkainawan, she is wrong. That she made a bomb joke at Jerick Silva in Davao City. Oh. Like you, Mark Cruz, you are wrong. You're complying yourself that you are in the app and we are in down. Like I was told by Jerick Silva, ikaw na sa taas, kami sa mababa. You are wrong, Mark Cruz. And I'm telling you, if I want to tell you something, in my YouTube blog, in my YouTube video, in my content, I just want to demand Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz delete that post against Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, because people there will get angry at him. Because I know people will get angry at him. The Duterte supporters will get angry at him. You should learn about your good deeds, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Just like for example, I've been told by Ate Rona, oh, do not post, do not comment in Instagram. Oh, Ate Rona, she's just like my second mother. Oh, she said it. At least my third mother is Nanay Ningning. Oh, at least she said it to me. Oh, sabi sa akin ni Ate Rona, like she said to me, wag ka na mag-comment, wag ka na mag-post sa Instagram. And she said to me, wag ka na magbura sa Instagram. And she said to me, oh, that's what you learn a lesson. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. If I were you, when you post in thread in Instagram, kindly please deleted the post against Rodrigo Duterte because it will be hurt to the Duterte supporters. That will cause them anger. They will cause them disappointed. They will angry at you. And I'm telling you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, think before you click. Just like I remember the lesson from Howie Severino when there's Ramon Bautista, think before you click when you use social media. Yeah, at least we've been lessoned that from Teacher May since 2018. I was alongside with Jens. Think before you click, Mark Cruz. Don't post about nonsense against Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, because people there will get you angry. People there will get you sick. At least Shania Kiana talked with Trisha Pung. And she said to Trisha Pung, wag mo kaibiganin yan si Mark Cruz. Dahil kasi masamang ugali yan. Oh, that's why Trisha Pung says she will never be friends with you. I thanks to Shania Kiana. Oh, Shania Kiana says to me, Mark Cruz, delete that post, Mark Domingo Cruz. You don't know what you're talking about to Rodrigo Duterte. Me, what I did to Nanay Ningning. I cursed her a bad words called asshole word that I comment there in Instagram before the threads was coming. Before Elon Musk had take over the Twitter. And I know this is my fault for what I did to Nanay Ningning. Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirchenberg, she is very old. Alright? She's very old. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, when you bully anyone, or me, I apologize, Nanay Ningning, sincerely, that I will never say bad words again in Instagram. I understand with Nanay Ningning. Oh, you should understand the others, Mark Cruz. Understand with your parents. Understand for example, your own relatives, or your relatives are telling you you didn't raise by your own parents. That is your consequence, Mark Cruz. And I'm telling you, you should not bully anyone